Turn on the device using the power switch. The status light on the back of NuvaWave will now cycle with a solid green light indicating normal function and power. Should the battery run low, the status light will turn off and flash red every 2 seconds. The battery can be removed and exchanged by pressing and holding the release button on the side of the battery mount, then lifting the battery up and away. If the device detects a drop or severe vibration, the status light will continuously flash red. Turn the device off, then on again to reset it. If the device was physically damaged, please contact customer support before continuing use. If the trigger is held for more than 5 continuous minutes, or if the trigger is pulled during power cycling, the light will flash orange. Release the trigger and re-engage the trigger to continue. Thank you for choosing NuvaWave, the new wave of disinfection. For further information or questions, visit www.nuvawave.com